In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets, whether you're working with a detailed spreadsheet or simply want better visibility in your data. Adjusting cell size can be incredibly useful. And don't worry, the process is simple and can be customized to fit your specific needs. One straightforward way to make cells bigger is by adjusting the size of columns and rows. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once you're in, take a look at the headers above your columns and the numbers beside your rows. These are your guides for resizing. If you want to make a column wider, move your cursor over to the line that separates the columns in the header. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see a double-headed arrow appear. Click and hold your mouse button, and then drag the divider to the right to expand the column, or to the left to make it smaller. This action will resize the entire column according to your adjustment. The same process applies to rows. Just move over to the line between the numbers on the left and drag to adjust as needed. This allows for precise control over individual column and row sizes without affecting the rest of your spreadsheet, making it a versatile option. Another effective method for making cells bigger is to merge them. Merging cells can be particularly handy if you want to create a header or a title that spans multiple columns or rows. To do this, start by selecting the cells you want to merge. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells to highlight them. Once selected, look for the Merge option in the toolbar above. This might be located inside the Format menu or directly visible on your toolbar as a merge icon. Click on it and voila! Your selected cells have now become one larger cell. This creates a seamless, expanded area in your spreadsheet, ideal for large labels or headers. However, remember that merging cells will only retain the data from the upper leftmost cell, so make sure to move any important data to that cell before merging. Using these two methods, you can customize the look and utility of your Google Sheets to better serve your purposes. Whether it's for a cleaner presentation or better readability, adjusting cell sizes can significantly enhance how you work with your data. We hope these tips make your Google Sheets experience a bit more user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to dive into those spreadsheets with confidence.